Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Styles, and on this channel we talk about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. But in today's video, I'm just gonna vlog with you guys. I wasn't gonna vlog, but I am out in the streets today, still on vacation. So I'm just trying to get some stuff completed in my house. I wanted to paint my closet over. It just seems very dim in there. I do have a chandelier that's really nice, but it's not bright enough for me. I do seem to have more light when I turn on my vanity light, but who wants to turn that on all the time, you know? Like, not me. So what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to look for some stuff to like add. I need like a little dresser, something like with 2 drawers. And I'm also thinking about adding in some closet doors on my pack system. I think it'll just give it like a cleaner look to it. But those doors are like $150 a piece, and I would need 1, 2, 3, 4. I would need 6. They also have a new pants pull, which I would probably have to change mine because it has a border on the front and the other one doesn't. The other one kind of sticks out a little bit, and I don't think it goes with the doors. So the newest one, it does go with the doors. So we will see what I can find just so I can add on to my closet. I want it to be bright in there. The chandelier is so pretty, but it's just not bright at all. It's one of those lights, it's one of those chandeliers where you don't have to change the light bulbs. And that's probably why it just seems dim, or I'm just getting old, guys. It could be I'm getting old. I'm 41, so, you know, that's probably what it is. But when I do turn on the vanity, it seems to give a good light, like a good enough light. But I do feel like on the top of it, it seems really dark because it's so deep. So I'm gonna see if I could, that's not insane, it did. I'm trying to kill myself, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to, I really want to paint, but painting probably will drive me insane because I would have to move my Billy bookshelves. I would have to move my, come on lady, now get over. I would have to move my Billy bookshelves. I would have to move my vanity and those stuff and those lights and stuff. I don't want to do it, but if I have to, just to paint, yeah. And I also want a new rug in there. Something very, thank you. Something very bright. And I don't have a window in there, so that may also be the issue too, that I'm just driving me insane. I'm like, should I just put everything in the other room? I'm ready to move, honestly. If I really want to be honest. I'm ready to move. I'm ready to just move to something a little bit bigger. Maybe not so much bigger, but I do want high ceilings. I love my townhome. It's very nice, really nice features, but I realized that I like sunlight, so I'm gonna see what I do purchase, if I can get something that has sunlight in every room, and possibly if the closet can have a window. If not, then I'll just actually do one big room as my glam room and walk-in closet and YouTube room. So right now it's split out because I still have my closet literally like a dressing room, and I have my YouTube room, which is still, some of my clothes are also in there. So it's like, they're just like split up. And where am I going? I have the sniffles, guys, and I'm like, I feel like I had on my mask every single day when I was in Florida, and I kind of feel like it did something to me. Like, I did not take it off only just to eat, and I had on 2 masks. It probably overdid it, but Welcome back, guys. So I'm home now. I'm gonna start cooking. I'm trying to decide which mushrooms, but I think I'm gonna go with these. Can you guys see that? And I usually fry these with like obey, and it tastes like shrimp. So wish me luck with this. And I have some cabbage and stuff, so I'm trying to set everything up for you guys. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be actually shown in the video. I just, like I said, I struggle with trying to figure out the best way to shoot this cooking stuff. So bear with me, guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So this is what I'm eating today. What's today? I don't even know today's date, but this is my dinner, guys. Vegan dinner. All right, guys.